Hey, this is Brad Paisley inviting you to the 2014 Hearing Innovation Expo presented by Starkey. It's January 15th through the 19th in Las Vegas. There's going to be some special guests, and I think maybe Elvis is going to be there, or at least someone who looks a lot like him. We'll see you there.